Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Jumping right into it, I'm using BW2 powder and 30 volume developer. We're going to start by just lathering the bleach mixture onto the hair with a brush, just getting that all on the hair, making sure to do the frontal and the front first, just because I want the color to pop, especially around my face. I'm pretty much getting the bleach in as many places as I can because this is 30-inch hair and there's definitely not enough bleach to go around to cover all of this hair. So I'm really just getting to as many places that I can get with as much bleach that I have. Throughout this process, I am also making sure to turn the brush vertically so that it gets through the first layer of hair and through to other throughout the hair. I also use a paddle brush to also get the bleach throughout the hair as well. Here I'm putting bleach mixture onto the brush and brushing the hair directly with the bleach on the brush to see if that will spread the bleach throughout the hair as well. As you can see, the bleach is already turning on the frontal part, and for some reason, I don't know why, bleach always takes much quicker and much stronger onto frontals. So yeah, now we're on to dyeing the hair, and we're going to be doing the boiling method, obviously. So we got a big pot, some water, boiled it, and here we are. Here's the clip of the hair after it has been bleached. Some conditioner, I didn't know how much to put in, so yeah. Cinnamon from Adore and spiced amber from Adore. Mix it all up and we'll be ready to go. After the mixture is pretty cohesive, I went ahead and dumped the whole wig into the water, made sure all the parts were submerged in the water, and then we're ready to put the lid on and wait. After about 5 to 10 minutes of the hair being submerged into the hot water with the dye in it, it's ready to rinse out and dry and be styled. So that's about it, guys. Here's the finished product. I love how this hair came out. It was pretty easy and simple, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.